scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running.
Noah Stober, reporting from Linz. This is the first day here.
And welcome to first night's accommodation. We've just got here from the airport, so we've got an amazing site here. This is their equivalent of a scout hut, right? Those are solar panels. Like the entire upstairs is like a chill room. There's a massive hall on that side. There's a kitchen here, a storeroom here, and like a kind of almost bar area here, and then there's like bathrooms and showers in the back. Campfire pit, basketball, football, tennis, skate park over there.
Our scout hut should look like this.
Our plan at the moment is to have a bonfire, and we're going to make like kebabs on it and eat those and other stuff as well. We've just eaten some ice lollies that we found in the freezer. What have we done today, guys? We hiked up a hill, like kind of up there, which led to a church. And today, guys, about the impact of tourism. It was very well signposted, wasn't it? Like everything was really well signposted, and there were like distinct cycle paths and walking paths.
Oh, of course. So we've arrived. It is Sunday morning.
Hey, bye.
We came down here to have a wee bit more of our lunch. It's Mount Housen's just up that hill somewhere. And what did you think, guys? You happy we went?
Yeah.
You think it was interesting? Did you learn anything? Fair enough.
Seeing it just kind of confirmed my opinion.
So we've just got down from Mount Housen. Yeah. Fair enough. Everywhere we go. No. All right, fine.
This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the highest shelf.
This was our hotel.
This was our very nice hotel, which we didn't show you an outside view of.
And we had an amazing all-you-can-eat buffet breakfast.
Yeah,
And dinner.
And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song.
Right, lads, day 3 morning. We've just bought lunch from a spa. It is spa, right?
Yeah.
What do you have?
So what have we just ordered? In German.
Poppy breads. Oh, darf ich bitte Simon Fessel mit Extrawurst?
Which is?
2 poppy seed breads, and Extrawurst is a type of ham.
Darf ich bitte
That's $2.97.
Morgen Fässer mit Emmentaler?
Which was?
Poppy bread with dank cheese. We're walking around looking for a restaurant.
Pizza!
Can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you.
Alright, so yesterday we went from Tulln to Melk. It was about 80 kilometres ish, and we just absolutely bombed it.
Yeah, we did it in exactly 6 hours, I think. Pretty
Including,
much.
like,
Including,
half-hour lunch
yeah,
break.
yeah.
I'm probably about half an hour of a break.
So we went to a Roman
We went to like a Roman museum, like
museum
an
thing.
archaeological
Half an hour.
Yeah, had about half an hour there, looked around.
That was just after lunch. We stopped in the same place that we
Yeah.
did last time.
Yeah, we went. What was it? Pear picking.
Yeah, we went pear and apple picking. Went to an orchard.
We saw some guy picking in his orchard and we were like,
Right.
can we, yeah. We're like, can we help?
Yeah, we
was
cycled
like, yeah, sure.
through an orchard and we just asked if we could help.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
But this morning at the youth hostel, we did another one of our projects, like giving back.
Yeah.
And we helped the lady. Basically, we
Yeah, Hannah's
hung
left
off
the
the
lady.
road.
At first we asked her if we could help with the washing up.
And
she was
said
like,
She
nah.
was like, no, you can't. So
But then
So we helped put the sheets out on the line,
Wipe down the table.
wipe down the table,
we wiped down the
took
table,
the rubbish out.
and then we hung up all the linen from the...
Yeah. We're just writing some haikus. Just finished dinner.
Hello.
What have we done today then?
We were in Vienna. We had a tour guide by Anna and Eric, who were amazing local scouts. Bought some clothes. Then we went to Spa and bought dinner and like just some snacks.
And we were
really.
all quite self-sufficient with our transport.
Very self-sufficient with transport. Got a 24-hour ticket for all public transport. Used it quite a lot.
We went on a double-decker train.
Alright, hello everyone. We're talking about the impact of tourism a little bit. So guys, what did we notice today that was like especially good for cyclists and tourists generally?
All bad.
The main thing was...
All bad, yeah.
The main thing was translated signs.
Translated
Just
signs.
about all the signs had the German and then English.
Yeah.
So we went
And
to
menus as well. Our menus were in English.
Yeah.
Also, I found that lots of people, like in the shops, more so than in the countryside, can speak very, very good English.
Very good English.
Hello.
hello.
So we've arrived in Grine. Thought we'd come out and
Have a bit of chill time.
have a bit, yeah.
And a
Just before dinner.
Found this like really nice little beach.
Insert my time.
Hannes has a puncture.
So this is the current situation. So next Tour de France.
Sadly, it's the wrong size inner tube, so we still need to get Johannes a new bike. Hello everyone. Johannes has just had another puncture on his new inner tube, which admittedly wasn't right for the bike. Lads, what's on the agenda tonight? The Italians are behind me.
Sta cagare. Quando volete basta che sorridete alla telecamera dopo.
Pronti?
Sorridi alla telecamera.
Yeah. Right, that's good.
I want you by my side so that I never feel alone again. They've always been so kind, but now they've brought you away from me. I hope they didn't get your mind. Your heart is too strong anyway. We need to fetch back the time they have stolen from us.